all use the same ball, right? We all use the same ball? Yeah. Invited ball.
Oh, that's my ball.
I need coach, I need one more.
Hey, stay in your lanes, fellas. Let's go. Go line.
Hold on, wait. Still waiting for other ref. Hold on. Go, Birds.
You gotta get ready. We're in La La Land.
Found it? Yeah. I go down. Stay line. Stay line. I go down.
Regular, Peyton, come here. Kobe, come here. We just did regular. Dallas, where you at? You're over here. Dallas, you're on this side.
Split the ball with Brady, Wyatt. 5 yards off every time.
Get up on the ball, Brady. Break up on the ball, Brady. Close to Brady.
Wyatt, pinch.
Just make sure you keep contain that side. Come on, boys. Come on. Slow motion here, fellas. Let's go. Slow motion.
Good. You got nothing there. Good job. Now go.
Wyatt, back up. Let's take it. We got to look in the mirror. What are we doing? We're in regular. I know unless I tell you differently, right? There you go.
15. Yeah, you got 8 yards out there, Hank. Get outside that white line. Now, Wyatt, slide. Wyatt, contain him.
Stay on your feet!
Get ready, guys.
Wake up, boys.
Get ready.
Come on.
Kane going for Brady. Brady, come here. Kane, Brady, good drink. Just tell me.
Make sure flags on the side. They might have fixed them. They might have fixed it. It just when he was
Just double check.
All right, big play here, boys.
Very good. 1.
Get his flag.
Guys, what are we doing?
Go, Bishop, house down! Yeah, Bishop! Go, Bishop!
What are you doing? Pulling flag.
Good run, boy!
Get on the waist and pull.
Regular. Right now.
Wake up. Pass over. Pass over, boys. Pass over. Make a play. Make a play. Break on the ball. Right in front of you, White.
You guys gotta talk out there. Come on, Birds.
Hey, guys, here we go. Wyatt, come here. Wyatt, come here. Look, guys, look. Here we go.
Call it out.
Get a talk. Wyatt, just like I said.
Hey.
Let's go.
Pass only.
Hey, pass only.
Because of the penalty, coach. I see what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Now it's still pass only. Still. Yes, that's what I was saying. Yes.
Now I see.
Hey, you're still pass only, boys. Let's go. Right now, let's go. Let's get a stop right now.
Still pass on.
Hey, you're out here. You're out here. You're out here.
Come on, CJ. Hey, come on, Hank.
Great job, Hank. Hold it one more time, fellas. Hold it one more time.
Still pass on.
Come on, boys. Hey, fourth down. Let's go. One play right now. Let's go. Grady. You're big in that middle there.
Guys, look where the end zone's at. Let's not keep in there, okay?
Yes. Come on. Come on, Dale.
Oh, Brady. Go, Tyson. Go, ready, go. Yes!
Oh, my God.
Great job.
All right, let's go. Offense.
Quiet.
One good step to tap.
Keep running. Hey, forget about it, Wyatt. Next play. Go, CJ. Back to the hurdle.
Run hard.
Time out, ref. Come on, boys. Let's go. Yes, sir. Go! CJ!
Coach, you punting or you going for it? You punting or you going for it?
Defense. Down. You're in. Hey, come over here for a minute. Don't pull it. I'm recording. Make sure you're here. Get over here. Hey, get over. Let's go. Go be on the sideline.
2 minutes, 10 seconds. 2 minutes, 10 seconds.
Dallas, you're in the spot. You're there, Wyatt.
You got 2 minutes, man.
Pull flag.
I want you over there, Dallas. Regular. Make sure he's turning his hand over this way. Don't. CJ, you gotta move fast like going forward. You gotta move this way quick, okay? You gotta go quick when that happens.
Go blue. Guys, line up.
Wyatt, you're over here. Caden, you're over there. Actually, Caden, no, Wyatt, go over there. Caden, you're right here.
Excuse me, coach.
I'm sorry.
Stop, run, and drop. Stop, run, and drop. Yes, Wyatt, yes.
Hey, go in for Wyatt. Wyatt, come here. Wyatt, come here. Time out. Let's roll the bars. How much time we got?
15.
15 seconds. Here we go. You guys don't get it. We got 15 seconds. We have no time on that, right?
Final timeout.
1 minute left.
Brady, you gotta get that. Brady, you gotta get that.
Cover two. Wait, Jason. Look.
Brady.
Go! Take it off!
That's the way. Hurry up. Let's go.
If I say out, it's out here, not out here.
We're receiving it down there, coming this way.
Offense, you're going to turn you on. So listen, Kanan and Brady, I want back like by the goal line. Okay? And if you're in the middle, then go like the goal line. And if you're in the middle, Kobe, you're on this side, Ryan, you're on that side. Good throw.
Dallas and CJ.
Back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up.
Flag. 18, got the flag. Where those gonna be uploaded?
To their page.
To the okay. You sure you get me money? Okay, cool.
Yeah. I gotta move because you.
If I make your way, let me know.
No, it's your field.
No. It's easier for me to move than you.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just way quicker than you, so
Okay.
you let me know, all right? I want you to get all the good shots.
Okay.
All right. I got no equipment, so.
Oh. Well, this is late, so I can just pick up and go.
Okay, well, I don't mind moving for you.
All right. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Back up, JC. Back up.
Oh, CJ. Come on, CJ. Hey, good boy. Nice catch. Nice catch.
Right?
You got it. Let's go. Ready?
Come on, contain out here, guys.
What are you guys doing?
Right, outside contain again. Help out. Hey, contain us outside. Turn them in. Brady, come this way. Go right. Outside with him, Morgan. Stop. Stay red. Right.
Sorry, I didn't see the hand so late.
You're good. Go, Brady, go! Go, Brady, go! Keep going! Let's go, on the ball!
Go to the sideline. Dallas, come here.
Brady, come over.
Casey over here.
1 minute.
That kickoff, that's live? That's live? I thought as soon as they were told as soon as it touched the ground, it's dead.
When you touch it, it's supposed to be in the ground. Take it! Now!
Hey, we're fine.
Get out there.
Play defense, let's go. Brady. Go. Hey, come here.
What we lost to him, so they got. We're talking about.
Go 4-1. Why didn't you break through the ball? Kobe, come up.
Coach, you want to know the time right up there?
Yes. Get up.
Second down, 40.
Kate, you're safe. You're behind
47. 47.
Hey, stop the run. You're going to run the ball.
Okay, hold on. Hey, back up.
Brady,
Back up.
get wide. Stop him.
Hey.
Right, touch him. Get him.
Wait, he's going. Wait, go watch it. Do that. Go. Do that. Back up. No. Cash it.
Oh, pick it up!
Ooh.
Clock stop, right? Clock stop. No timeout. Clock stop.
What I'm saying.
You don't need it.
No, I did not. I did not say do that.
Guys, back up there again. Same way. Stop running. Stop the running. Drop.
43 seconds.
Turn it down. Play right here. Let's go. Get the ball back. Kobe, make a play.
Oh, you still have one.
Watch the quick pass, boys.
Come on, 2-4.
As soon as you touch that ball, go get him, Brady. Go get him. Brady, go get him. Quiet.
Bishop. Yeah, Bishop.
What are we pulling on?
Black guard.
Yes. Flag guard. Stop. Stop, Fred.
25 seconds.
Stop.
They're punting. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go in the game. Come on.
They need him.
Great play.
He's center. Dom.
Nice shot.
Dom, he needs a set. He needs a center. Dom, go. I told you.
We still have one timeout, right?
One timeout,
Yeah, you still have one timeout.
Out of bounds, the clock stops. Out of bounds, the clock stops.
Yes!
Go, Katie.
Kane, nice job, nice job.
Yes.
CJ.
He can't.
Kane, get down. Way to move, buddy. Nice hit.
Go over there.
Out of bounds, stops the clock.
Thank you, team. No blitz. They got no blitz left. They have no blitz left. No! Line up. Get on the ball. Ready, get out here. Ready, get out here.
Roll.
It's gonna be game, guys. It's gonna be game.
We did have a timeout.